Hey you guys, it's Kris. Welcome to my channel. So we're just going to hop right into it, and I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. If you want to know what I used for that process, just check the description box. Here I'm spraying each section with the Kenra blow dry spray. It really helps to dry your hair a lot faster. So I'm just taking that and spraying each section and twisting my hair up, and then I sat underneath my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes just to get the majority of the water out. Now I'm going in with my handheld dryer just to finish off the drying process, and you can see I'm using the tension method. I also run my fingers through it, and then I also use a paddle brush just to really get it nice and blown out. So I just kind of alternate between these two, and I end it with the paddle brush. So that's what you see me doing here. So now that it's fully dry, I'm going to go ahead and start flat ironing, and I do like to use the chasing method with a comb, and I'm going to go ahead and spray each section with a heat protectant. The one that I'm using is by Tresemme, and so I just use the chasing method with the comb, and I usually do about 1 to 2 passes on each section. The straightener that I'm using is from Walmart. It's by the brand Andis, and I don't recommend it. It stopped working on me once I got to the top section on the right. So the right side of my head at the top didn't get as flat and as straight as I wanted it to because the straightener stopped working. So I just wanted to put that out there. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and speed it up, and I'll come back once my whole head is done. So these are my finished results. Overall, I think it's okay, but I do think it could have been more flat, a little bit more sleek and straight. So I need to find a really good serum, and I could have done a better job with the blow drying process. But I still wanted to film this and just show you guys the process of me straightening my natural hair. So I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, it didn't last that long because I live in Florida and the humidity is real. But I still wanted to put this video up for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe.